In a world where nature's treasures often hide in plain sight, there's one humble flower that holds a secret to vibrant health and wellness. It's often considered a weed due to its ability to thrive in various environments, including lawns, gardens and meadows. The dandelion plant is characterized by its bright yellow flowers, which turn into fluffy spherical seed heads when they mature. These seeds are dispersed by the wind, contributing to the dandelion's widespread presence. Dandelion is a common flowering plant that is native to Europe and Asia, but now widely distributed throughout temperate regions of the world. Watch all the way to the end to find out how to make this tea and when is the best time to consume this elixir. Although commonly viewed as a nuisance in gardens, dandelion has been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Its leaves, flowers and roots are all edible and have various nutritional and medicinal properties. Dandelion leaves are often used in salads or cooked as greens, while the roots are sometimes roasted and brewed as a coffee substitute. In herbal medicine, dandelion is prized for its potential health benefits, which include supporting liver function, aiding digestion, promoting detoxification, and providing essential vitamins and minerals. Dandelion is also used in herbal teas, tinctures and supplements for its purported medicinal properties. Overall, despite its humble reputation as a weed, dandelion is a versatile and valuable plant with a range of uses in both traditional and contemporary contexts. Now let's delve deeper and take a look at some of the health benefits of the dandelion flower tea. Because I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. I'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. This is a simple, easy, but significantly very important favor. It will only take a few seconds of your time and will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, please click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Here you'll find a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle, including delicious nutrient-packed recipes and tips on how to interpret the signs your body sends you when something's off balance. Subscribing and commenting not only helps the growth of my channel, but also enriches this platform by making it more interactive. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or a simple greeting, your comments add to the dialogue. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and become a part of this knowledge-packed community. By the way, if you watch this video on your television, you can use your mobile phone or your computer to complete these tasks. Also, do not forget to leave a comment. It could be as simple as saying hi or where you are watching from. I would love to hear from you. A refreshing and nutritious brew derived from the blossoms of the plant. Bursting with vitamins A, C and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, each sip is a sip of nourishment straight from nature's garden. Say goodbye to synthetic supplements and hello to the pure organic goodness of dandelion tea, rich in antioxidants. The flowers are packed with potent antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic compounds and carotenoids. These mighty warriors of the body help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Supports liver health. Our ancestors used dandelion flower tea to support liver function and promote detoxification. The compounds found in these flowers can stimulate bile production, aiding in the breakdown and elimination of toxins. Promotes digestive health. The tea can enhance digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and enzymes. It can also serve as a gentle laxative, helping to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Natural diuretic. Known for its diuretic properties, dandelion flower tea can increase urine production and promote the elimination of excess fluids and waste products, beneficial for those with water retention issues or those looking to support kidney function. Anti-inflammatory effects. The bioactive compounds in dandelion flowers possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing inflammation throughout the body, particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions. Support skin health. Regular consumption of dandelion flower tea may promote healthy, radiant skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can protect the skin from damage caused by environmental stresses, leading to clearer, youthful-looking skin. Rich in vitamins and minerals, dandelion flowers provide a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, supporting various bodily functions. So the next time you see a dandelion dancing in the breeze, remember its hidden potential, a treasure trove of health and wellness waiting to be unlocked. Incorporating dandelion flower tea into your diet can be a flavorful way to support overall health and wellness. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Keep watching to learn how to brew the perfect cup of dandelion flower tea. Now that we've delved into the myriad of health benefits that dandelion flower tea has to offer, it's time to learn how to brew the perfect cup. This delightful drink can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile beverage choice for any season. In a world where convenience often trumps quality, we tend to reach for tea bags. But for the most flavorful and nutrient-rich brew, fresh dandelion flowers are the way to go. Here's a simple guide to help you brew your own dandelion flower tea at home. First, gather your dandelion flowers. Make sure to pick them from a pesticide-free area to ensure they're safe for consumption. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or bugs. Next, separate the petals from the green parts of the flower. The green parts can often add a bitter taste to your brew. Once you have your petals ready, place them in a teapot. For every cup of water, you'll want to use about 1 cup of loosely packed petals. Pour hot, but not boiling, water over the petals. Cover the teapot and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, strain the tea into your cup and there you have it, a perfectly brewed cup of dandelion flower tea. You can sweeten it with a bit of honey or enjoy it as is, savouring the delicate, slightly sweet flavour of the dandelion petals. Remember, this tea isn't just about the taste. It's a holistic experience, a way to connect with nature and nourish your body from within. The next time you spot a dandelion swaying in the breeze, see it not as a weed, but as a potential cup of health-boosting tea waiting to be brewed. Now that you've mastered the art of brewing the perfect cup of dandelion flower tea, it's time to decide when to drink it for optimal health benefits. Dandelion flower tea is a versatile beverage that can be enjoyed at any time of the day, but certain times may provide more specific benefits. Let's explore these together. Morning. Consider starting your day with a cup of dandelion flower tea. This herbal infusion can kickstart your metabolism and aid in digestion. Thanks to its diuretic properties, it may also help eliminate excess fluids accumulated overnight. After meals, experiencing discomfort or bloating after meals, sip on some dandelion flower tea. It can support digestion and help alleviate these symptoms. Plus, it aids in the absorption of nutrients from your food. Mid-afternoon. Feeling that mid-afternoon slump? Instead of reaching for coffee or energy drinks, try a cup of dandelion flower tea. It can provide a natural energy boost without the jittery effects of caffeine, helping you stay alert and focused. Evening. As your day winds down, a cup of dandelion flower tea can be a soothing and relaxing bedtime beverage. Its gentle diuretic properties may help reduce fluid retention overnight, leading to a more restful sleep. Ultimately, the best time to drink dandelion flower tea depends on your personal preferences and health goals. We encourage you to experiment with different times of the day to see what works best for you. Remember, each cup of this nourishing herbal infusion is not just a drink, but a step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey exploring the wonders of dandelion flower tea. Your curiosity, interest and enthusiasm for health and wellness are truly inspiring. I would love to hear your thoughts, comments and experiences with dandelion tea. Please feel free to share them in the comment section below. Your insights might just inspire someone else to embark on their own health journey. If you found this video informative and beneficial, consider sharing it with your loved ones. After all, spreading knowledge is a wonderful way to contribute to the health and well-being of those around us. Now, it's crucial to remember that the information provided in this video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making any major changes to your lifestyle or diet, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have an underlying health condition. Your health is your most precious asset, and it's essential to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to health, and what works for one person may not necessarily work for another. So work closely with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Consider the information provided in this video as a starting point, a stepping stone towards a healthier, happier life. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions we take every day that eventually lead to big changes. So take action today for a healthier tomorrow. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on health and wellness. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and never stop learning.